KD is growing some muscle. Yeah, come on, shoot. I have...
There, not doing it. Flex.
Ay ligaya na walang pati.
Maghahamon ako ng suntukan. Dito. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! RUG! Slipping down here.
Manny Pacquiao, who? Sakit siya dito, ah. Di pa magsisimula, masakit na.
Like, I guess like every little thing, real time, parang hindi rin healthy yun. Like,
Right.
you're sharing your location to everyone.
Oo, actually.
Yeah. Pero it's nice din to have a little bit of reservation.
Right. Pag mga dates nyo ba ni Alexa, pinapost mo, hindi?
Real time, hindi.
Okay.
Yeah, pero may mga dates na hindi namin pinapost. Pero whenever we post, it's not real time.
Actually, maganda yun. Last, someone named Alexa, jab or lab? Grabe, nakayakap ka naman. Grabe. Kamusta na kayo?
We're very good. Yeah, we're just chilling actually.
Yeah.
But you know, it's the opposite. Like yung mga when you're unserious together, dyan nagiging serious eh.
Correct.
When you're just chilling.
Pag nakikita ko kayong dalawa, it's just really good vibes. Fun
Yeah,
lang talaga.
sobrang good vibes lang namin. Like we're so open.
Right.
Like, we're always communicating.
Right.
Yeah, and we're always telling each other how we feel. Like at the end of the day, we do a checkup.
Nice. Na-impress ako kay KD, ha. Parang nakikita ko siya sa peripheral ko, yung movement niya, yung swing niya. Alam mo, makikita mo pa lang sa swing ng katawan eh. Gamay na niya yung groove ng boxing. And KD told me na etong tinuro sa amin was just the basics pa lang. Hindi pa to yung intermediate, no, or advanced lessons. Thank you then kay KD for sharing a little bit of, you know, syempre alam niyo naman pag may KD, minsan may Alexang tsikahan eh. So, nakakatuwa na, you know, he and Alexa are, you know, still so much in love, taking care of each other, and so happy to hear that